It had been incredibly educational Monday morning, with ES moving in endless corrective fluff. This is the third trade on ES that we had been in forever and ever and ever and ever. So let's take a look and let's see what we learned from this structure on ES. We learned the importance of decision point 1, where ES had danced for 40 minutes. Finally, this level had been broken and ES migrated to the danger zone, where ES is sitting very, very pretty, because danger zone is the exhaustion of my trade. So price is struggling to break through this level despite incredibly sharp and very volatile move, which is very much typical for summer market. Kamato's market structure with very sharp volatility, but danger zone level ain't broken. Therefore, my trail is incredibly close, 1679.50. But this short from 1681 all the way to 1677, first two trades hit decision point 1 levels. And also, I had taken 3 trades on oil. First trade had hit 2 targets. Second trade was not successful, and this trade had hit 2 targets. I moved my stop to break even because price spelled out very, very clearly that it was essential for me to protect my profits, to protect my levels by moving stop to break even. At any moment, based on the structure, ES will tell me I may be taking long, because 2 things happen when price reaches danger zone: either a correction or reversal. By the way, guys, this Friday we're doing something else. We're doing more education than ever, because you know that being here on Friday is killing me. So Friday we're going straight into the wave class, and Danny, out of kindness of his heart, will be here on Fridays. It is against my trading philosophy to be here on Friday. So wave class education is the focus, especially during months like August. And on Friday it's like double jeopardy. Fantastic time to learn, most dangerous time to trade. Let's see what the ES will do next. My trail 1679.50. Danger zone had been reached. So as expected, we're getting a correction in the danger zone levels. Very sharp bearish move, completely exhausted as expected. And all of these levels had been projected when I had entered the trade far and far in advance. So we had been watching and monitoring this trade for an hour and a half. That's what you get if you trade summer markets. Ultimate torture. So good luck on that passing test of patience and discipline. So as you could see, ES is completely stuck at danger zone levels, correct? Completely. But it is exact same identical formula where oil had been for the last 3 days. Dancing, fascinating formations because bearish trend is exhausted. But will the buyers finally show up? Exact same formula oil 1 hour as it is ES 8 range. We're gonna be going probably 2 hours into this trade. I don't expect to take any more trades, leaving my trail at 1679.50. We'll monitor this trade as I see nothing I can touch on oil. Nada, zero, zilch. So there we go, 3 trades on ES. Amazing day on ES. It is definitely an ES day. Incredibly crooked, funky, fluffy oil. Out of 3 trades on oil, 2 trades went for a couple of targets. 1 trade is negative. So total 6 trades, 1 negative. ES continues its collapse, but taking this massive pause for the last 30 minutes because ES had reached danger zone. So here's my projections further to the downside. This is spectacular, massive bearish formation. So any long trade is super duper aggressive because you have to learn how to read the price. Would I be entering long anywhere near here? Absolutely not. Only for demonstration purposes because I know this is a spectacular bearish train. Why would I want to walk on the tracks in front of a massive bearish train? And Willie, you're witnessing currently what we just discussed, correct? And that is very, very, very important. If you learn where danger zone levels are, and if you know where decision point 1 is, this is the end of the minor trend. This is the trade exhaustion level. You know when to trade, you know where to take profits off the table, and you know when to stay out. Class starts 15 minutes from now. Let's monitor this trade as I would love to take it into the wave expansion, which means all of my targets had been blasted on the range charts and my trade went into larger time frame. So will this happen? That would be so lovely. But this is picture perfect reminder. If you determine to trade during the months of August, be prepared to pass ultimate test of patience and discipline and surviving corrective markets. Amazing time to learn. Most difficult time to trade. ES is still pulling back, pulling back, pulling back. Once again, it is a weekly chart, but it is the same formula as ES 8 range. And that's the magic of alpha wave trader method. That's when price started collapsing. First time, and here's the second time, because range of the danger zone had been reached. So adios everybody, we're gonna rehash this trade tomorrow. Once again, lovely, lovely 4-point run on this trade. To others 1 point each. Definitely an ES day. Oil very, very funky, very, very crooked, very, very corrective. 3 trades, 2 positive, 1 negative. 6 trades, 5 positive trades. Adios everybody. Look forward to seeing you tomorrow.